Here is one more problem of finding same value. We have to find out here. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical ball surmounted by hollow cylinder. Okay, I'll draw the diagram here. A vessel is in the form of hemispherical ball surmounted by. Okay, on a hemisphere, cylinder is present. Okay, surmounted by hollow cylinder. I'll draw here. This is a hemisphere surmounted by cylinder. Okay. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. From here to here, how much is that? They are given in the question. This is 14 centimeter. The diameter. What we have to consider? You have to remember, recall. They are given the diameter. D equals to how much? 14 centimeter. Do you think this is necessary or not? What we have to consider? R we have to consider. How much it becomes? 7 centimeter. Okay. Diameter they are given. Okay. You have to consider radius. And what else is there? The total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height of this vessel is from here to here is 13 centimeter. Okay. And just now we got the radius of this hemisphere, and both radius of hemisphere and cylinder are both one and the same here. This is 7 centimeter. Okay. How we want to find out the just now we got height of this hemisphere is 7 centimeter. How we want to find the height of this cylinder? Subtracting total. 13 minus 7 is how much? You will get the height of this cylinder. How much? 13 minus 7 is 6 centimeter. The height of this cylinder is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, what we have to find out now? After getting height of the cylinder, find out the capacity. Same capacity means we have to find out the volume of this vessel. Okay. First we will go by one. Okay. First I will find out the volume of this hemisphere. Two are there here. Again we have to find out first volume of hemisphere and volume of cylinder. Okay. First I will find out volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere equals to how much? Formula we have to write first. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. We will find out the values of in hemisphere and sphere. You have to remember, you have to consider only r value. Okay. There you will not get the height also and slant height also. You have to consider only r. Please remember. Let's just substitute the value pi. Okay. And r is how much? Here we got the value of r. They are given the value of diameter. You have to take the half of the diameter. Okay. That is 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. After multiplication, how much you will get? 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. I think you will get 686 divided by 3 pi as it is. cm cube. Okay, we just multiply here. Okay, it's very important. I wrote directly. After multiplication, you will get the same answer. 686 by 3 cm cube is the volume of hemisphere. What else we have to find out now? Remaining volume of cylinder is remaining. Volume of cylinder equals to how much? Volume of a cylinder equals to pi r square h is a formula. Okay, in the previous formula problem, we have considered volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here you have to remove 1 by 3. You will get volume of cylinder. That is pi as it is. R equals to how much? Same. That is 7 centimeter only. 7 into 7. Height is how much? Height of the cylinder is how much you got here? Okay, 6 centimeter. Okay, after multiplying, how much you will get? 7 into 7. 49 into 6, 294. 294 cm cube is the volume of this cylinder. This one is volume of hemisphere. Lastly, what we have to find out? Volume of this, capacity means volume only. We You have to add both. Okay, volume of solid I'll take here, total solid. This one I'll take, this volume of hemisphere 686 by 3 plus this is 294 cm cube is volume of cylinder. You have to add both. Total they are asking. By taking LCM, how much you will get here? LCM is 3, 3 ones are 1, 3s are. Okay, just 686 ones are 686 plus 294 3s are how much? 294 3s are 882. Okay, you just multiply, you will get the same answer or not. I am writing directly. Okay, 294 3s are 882. Okay, next add both. How much you will get? 1568 divided by 3. Okay, next here pi is a constant, man. Pi is there. Okay, pi you have to consider, please. Here pi is a constant in both. Okay, they are neglected, sorry. Pi you have to write here. Next, simplify this one. You will get, just take the value of pi as a 22 by 7. After calculation, this one is 1568 divided by 3 into 22 by 7. You solve this one, you will get the answer in cm cube. Okay, any doubt? You just go through the question. They are not, it's a very simple and silly question. What they are given in the question: vessel is there, is above on hemisphere, below, above hemisphere, cylinder is there. They are given the total height of the vessel as a 13 centimeter, and they are given diameter of this hemisphere as a 14 centimeter. You have to take the radius of the hemisphere. Okay, just you have to remember, I think, formulas, both the formulas. Okay, nothing is there here. Substituting, just calculation. Okay, if you are good in calculation, it's becomes very silly problem. If you're not good in calculation, like multiplication and division, it becomes very difficult problem for you people. Okay, just go through the problem, note it down.